Hey there you guys, what is up? Okay, so this one today, this bath bomb demo we've got going on is from CHARMS, and this one is called the Bubbling Cauldron. Now, the only other bath bomb I have done from CHARMS was the Mother of Unicorns, and that was the 40 ounce, 2.5 pound bath bomb that was just friggin' awesome in my bathtub. So this is the second one that I will do from them, and I'm just so excited. And this one is Harry Potter themed, hence the Bubbling Cauldron, and I think this is supposed to have popping candy inside, but it is super shimmery, and it's a gorgeous color green. It's not really an emerald green, it's kind of a Kelly green color, but the shimmer is akin to, if you've either seen my video or if you've had the new Think Pink from Lush, it's just got a gorgeous shimmer on it. So the scent is, it's got blackberry oil in it, and I'm not sure what else, but it's super fruity, and the scent is just, oh, it's divine. It's just got a lovely berry scent. But I'll definitely have that listed down below, the exact scent. But I can't wait just to get it in the water and to see what this looks like, because Mother of Unicorns was so awesome. But yeah, let's go ahead and get that in the water, and we will see what it's going to do. Oh, it smells so good. It's just a very berry scent. This water is such a gorgeous color. There goes a bunch of, it looks like totally seafoam green. I hate that that's in a little spot where it's kind of out of the good light, but I don't want to mess with it. And it is darker in real life than what you're seeing. It's a little bit, I don't know, it's brighter. I would say brighter, not darker, just brighter. It's beautiful. I can say that I've never had water this color. I have really been wanting to use this bath bomb. So, and it's so cool. It keeps turning over, and then look, and then it'll drop a bunch of that seafoam, green seafoam, and then it'll turn over again, and it'll drop some foam. It's so cool. Okay, now it looks like it's changing colors again. No, but CHARMS, they have a bunch of themed bombs. They have, so this one's Harry Potter, and they have Game of Thrones and things like that. And then they obviously, they have a bunch of charms that they can put inside that you can choose from. And the one that I have, does not have that. And you can choose to have a charm in there or not have a charm in there. And this one does not. But you definitely need to go check that site out because it's a really cool little idea that she's got going on in a really cool Etsy shop. You should definitely check out. It's very different. And she's got some new bombs coming too that I will definitely be getting my hands on. Sorry about the finger in front of the camera. Look at how pretty. This is very, very pretty. So I've decided that these videos are longer for you guys because I don't edit them as much and I talk more. So I think that's the reason for that. How pretty that foam is. It's gorgeous. So beautiful. Wow. And I really love this scent. Go around the rest of the tub real quick. Water is so pretty. But I don't want to miss anything over here on this side. Okay, I think it's just really, really trying to make its way to the end. That was just so nice. I really, really enjoyed that. That was one of the really nice and soothing and pretty, and wasn't slow. Wasn't a slow foamer. It was just a really nice show. Very different. I thought it was very different. Okay, so I think it's about done. So we've got a couple more parts to this video. I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. And we're going to get to the bubbles. But that is just absolutely beautiful. Looks like that might be all the bubbles we're going to get. So I've had so many huge bubble baths lately. It looks like I'm going to get to just sitting in there with the jets on, which I'd love to do. So I will be back in a few minutes and I will let you guys know what this bath was like, but I can already expect that it's just going to be awesome because the scent and the color of that water, I know it's going to have shimmer in it. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. So I'll get back with you in just a sec. Okay, so here we have it, what is left over from the bubbling cauldron from Georgia Charms. And there's just a little bit of the green and there's a little bit of shimmer left in the bottom too. I can see that, but I just have to rinse it right on down and I can't see it honestly, if I'm looking at the tub, not through the camera, there seems to be a little ring around the tub through my camera, but I don't see it in real life. That's weird. But I'm not worried about it at all because, like I said, I don't even see it. But yeah, I loved this bath bomb. I can't wait to get some more bath bombs from her. And you guys need to go check out that Etsy website and her Instagram, and I'll have those linked down below. This water was really super soft, and the shimmer, the color of the water, and the scent, all of it was just really, really nice. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the whole thing. So yeah, go check them out, and I will just see you back here next time. Till then, bye-bye.